to disclose or not to disclose. I'm happy to say that after selling so many homes here in Miami, South Florida, I have never had a lawsuit, and neither have any of the clients I represented. Disclosing anything that has been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed is very important and will keep you out of litigation. And it is essential to go over all disclosures prior to going on the multiple listing service or prior to seeing the home. We want them to have previously reviewed the disclosures prior to making an offer. This will help ensure that the buyer doesn't back out from the things they should have already been made aware of. Did you know that in Florida, massive amounts of disclosure need to be filled out and things need to be disclosed? This is really a safety net, not only for the buyer, but also for the seller. Anything from whether or not you live on a golf course, or if you have a sex offender living in the surrounding area that you know about. So if you painted the walls, cleaned, or changed the carpets, added a new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of my common sayings to my clients is, if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, most likely the answer is yes, you'll want to disclose. Over-disclosure is better than under-disclosure and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home. When you disclose property, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later telling you they want to go to court or want to try to extract more money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. If there are issues with a property that you don't know about, then the buyer would have to prove that you did know and kept that from them intentionally in order to win in court. So please, disclose, disclose, disclose. If you are thinking of selling, give me a call. I've helped so many people just like you in Miami, South Florida region, and I'd love to help you too. I am Ricki Kalmanzon with London Foster in Miami, South Florida, and as always, committed to excellence. And remember, everything I touch turns sold.